Hi everybody, we're going to look at how we can utilize Apple Clips to create either awesome images or even short videos, because that's what it's designed for. So to get started, we're going to find Apple Clips, and here you can see all of my video apps, but we're going to go ahead and find Clips. And it immediately opens up to the camera, because one of the cool things about Clips is that it allows you to record and create a video inside of the app. So you don't have to pre-record it using the regular camera. You can certainly do that, and we're going to look at that as well. But I could start recording right directly from here. The purpose of this video, though, is we're going to look at how we can transform an image with some of the fun things you can do in Apple Clips. So I'm in a new project already, but if you need to create a new one or you launch into maybe one that you've already made, just make sure up in the top left-hand corner, you tap the little square, and now you can see all of the other projects that you have made. And if you want to create a new one, hit the plus sign, tap the plus sign with create new, and that'll start a new project for you. So in this case, what I want to show is how can we make an image kind of come to life in this. So we're going to select either camera. You could take a picture, but I wouldn't suggest that. I'd actually suggest taking the picture with your camera before or importing it from another app, and then go to library. And that's going to bring up your camera roll. So you can see on my camera roll here, I have all of my different pictures that I have loaded on my iPad. So what I'm actually going to do is use a fun one from our trip to Disney World last year. And it's going to be this Star Wars one right here. So this was super fun. We were over in Galaxy's Edge, and my little boy was using the Force on me to pick me up. So the Star Wars logo was already there. I didn't put that on, but what I'm going to be able to do is make this picture kind of come to life a little bit. So to do that, you're actually going to select the star. So you can see down in the kind of right corner of the screen, there's going to be a little star. And from here, you can put on fun filters that kind of turn your image into some other different things, comic books, things like that. It's pretty cool. But we're going to stick with just the original. You can add text. So in this case, I might be able to add something like just regular text and then say 2019 Galaxy's Edge. So we're right outside of the Galaxy Edge, right? And then we'll just hit apply. And then you can just shrink that with 2 fingers, kind of move it off into the side there. All right, but then the fun part about Apple Clips is that we're going to be able to use stickers. So in the stickers area, you're going to see lots of different options, including if you keep scrolling over to the right, or if you maybe just look down at the bottom there are Disney ones. So there's a reason why I chose Disney, because there are some Disney options here, but then there's also Star Wars options. And so as a Star Wars nerd, I think these are pretty cool. So because we were in, at Galaxy's Edge in Batu there, we're going to go ahead and add in a couple of Star Wars stickers as well. Like maybe there was an X-Wing fighter flying over top of us as he's using the Force on me. And then of course we have to have Lord Vader in the background. We'll put him back here kind of coming out of that cave. And then lastly, maybe we want to have R2-D2 in the shot as well. So R2 is going to be broadcasting a message over here. So super fun. They also have, you can see Toy Story, and then they also have a whole host of emojis that you can use too. So that's some of the really neat things that we can do. And if we want to save this as simply a picture, so we've got R2, Darth Vader, the X-Wing fighter, we can go down and tap the Share button in the bottom right corner of the screen. And that Share is going to allow us to save the image. So you can see there, the first option is to save image. And if I do that, it's going to save the image to my photos. So if I back out of this, go to my photos, now I have a picture that is decorated with the stickers from Apple Clips. So that's super cool. But maybe if I wanted to have this come to life a little bit more. So what I'm going to do is actually go back into Apple Clips. And this time you can create like a short video with this. And in this case, maybe I want to add some music to the background of this. So we're going to tap on the music icon in the top right corner. And then I downloaded some music from my iTunes library. So I already have this. You would have to go in and download and things like that. But here's a one that seems appropriate. So we'll add the Star Wars main title. Go ahead and hit done on that. And now to get that, we're going to have to press and hold the red button. Okay, so I'm not going to talk over this. We're going to talk about, using this to record our voices in the next video. This one, we just want to put some music in the background and see what happens with those stickers. Okay, so that was just quick 10 seconds. You couldn't hear anything, but watch what happens when we play it. So super cool. The music's in the background, the stickers move, they're animated, it's very neat and very fun. So that is now, if we want to save that, we can kind of tap off of it or go over here to the share again. And then now you see it is called a video because it's 10 seconds long. So then we would save the video, and then it just takes a hot second, saves to our photos, and we're able to share it however we would like. So that's how we can transform an image into something a little bit more interactive, or create an informative image with the stickers and the text and things. Next video, we're going to look at how we can make an actual video with Apple Clips. So thanks.